Ryzen 7. What's this? Ryzen 3. Oh, Ryzen 5. I'm cleaning up a little, as you can see, because I've got a lot of these empty boxes and stuff. Look, there's heaps up there. I'm sorting out my studying and coaching space. So a lot of the coaching is happening online at the moment, thanks to COVID, which is fine. That actually makes it somewhat easier. But look, you need to be prepared for that. So I've got my laptop, my screen, camera over there for webcam, big light up there. But look, it's not just the coaching, it's the learning as well. And for the learning, in the Pro Coach mentoring session with Matt Lavaz today for our course, we learnt that we need a clear space. Like our study space needs to be organized, have everything ready to go, that kind of thing. You know, the example that was given with that was, it's like the kitchen when you want to cook something. If your pantry's all stocked and neat and tidy and your kitchen's all clean, then it's a lot quicker and easier to get in and cook the meal that you're going to cook. Same thing applies. And I find it's helped. Like, I've mostly just cleared my desk over the last few days, so I actually started this process before this anyway. And yeah, it's looking a lot better. It's looking a lot neater. Pay no attention to the Nintendo 64. That's for the break times, I guess. But yeah, it's looking good. And yeah, it definitely helps me think better, feel better, all that kind of stuff. I've still got a lot of other stuff to sort through, but we'll get there. So yeah, it's like 1 a.m. I'm not going to do any more of that now. We've just finished our Thursday night event for 3P Garage, but yeah, I've had enough. So I'm going to pack up and go home. But please let me know, does this affect you too? Does having like a clear and well organized and set out workspace work better for you? Apparently it works for most people. So yeah, I'd be interested. If you're one of the people who's opposite, who can work in the midst of mess and chaos, maybe you're one of the few. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, thanks. Bye.